Megaliths of Rocca Pizzicata, also called Lionhead Cliff in English. It is a particular place where myth, religion, history and different shaped cliffs meet. Cliffs forming faces, eyes, fish heads formed by water flows through the history. Here you also find traces of human habitat, tombs and an altar and stairs carved in the stone. It is a bit tricky to get here as the place is surrounded by private landowners, but we managed to find a way legally. Google indicates may show a road to a winery. If it does, do not follow it, as you will end up in front of a closed gate. It is located 700 meters above sea level in the municipality of Roccella Valdemone. It is a quite unknown place in Sicily, but worth to visit if you find a way.